How do I create a datetime in Python for milliseconds? How do I create a datetime in Python for milliseconds? I can create a similar date object in Java by java.util.dateMilliseconds. Allocates a date object and initializes it to represent the specified number of milliseconds since the standard base time known as the epoch, namely January 1, 1970, 0 o'clock GMT.
Just convert it to timestamp.
Converting millis to datetime, UTC. What about this? I presume it can be counted on to handle dates before 1970 and after 2038. As mentioned in the Python standard lib. From timestamp may raise value error, if the timestamp is out of the range of values supported by the platform. See local time or time functions. It's common for this to be restricted to years in 1970 through 2038. Very obviously, this can be done in one line.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.